Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Neetu Ann Thomas, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil, SNIT Adur. In our last class, we've learned about the decision-making process and the evaluation and selection from alternatives. So today we are going to learn about the types of decisions. First one, programmed and non-programmed decisions. So in a programmed decision, it involves problems which are repetitive in nature. Programmed problems are those which are repetitive in nature, and these decisions are taken by lower level managers. So for example, when you when you want to purchase a raw material or grant a leave to an employee, you go for a programmed decision because it is something which happens very usually. That is, we take leave once in a month. So in every month, if you take leave in a year, then we take minimum of 12 leaves in a year. So that 12 leaves is of the same format. So application of the leave is of same format. So such leaves are called as programmed decisions. And in non-programmed decisions, non-programmed decisions are those which are not of repetitive nature. And non-programmed decisions are usually of a great importance of an organization. For example, when you start a new branch of the organization, then it is a fresh new idea that you need to have, and there'll be new set of problems or decisions that is to be taken in an organization. So you go for a non-programmed decision at that time. That is, some of the important decisions are being made at that time. For example, as I said, opening a new branch. So opening a new branch in another location needs a lot of homeworks and a lot of effort. So it is a non-programmed activity, and it's usually done at the top level. Top level managers will be taking decisions for non-programmed decisions. Second one is routine and strategic decision. So in routine decision, it's nothing but the general functioning of the organization. That is, it do not require a lot of evaluation and analysis, but it can be taken very quickly. That is done by the lower rank officers or the lower level managers. So routine decisions are nothing but the general functioning of an organization. That is routine decisions. And it is carried out by the lower level managers. While in strategic decisions, these are important decisions that is to be taken in an organization, like and it is also non-repetitive in nature. So it is usually taken by the higher level managers. So it mostly deals with any policy matters or any organizational goals. So those are strategic decisions, and it's taken up by the top level managers. These is also non-repetitive in nature and taken up by the top level managers. Thirdly, tactical and operational decisions. So tactical decisions are nothing but those decisions which are of great importance, and it is a long term, it has a long term impact for the organization. So decision regarding a location of a plant or a distribution of channels implies a tactical decision, whereas an operational decision is mostly related to day-to-day functioning of an organization, and that is carried out by the mid-level managers. So tactical plans are long-term impact, and that's carried out by the top level officials, whereas operational plans are related to day-to-day happenings in an organization, and it is handled by the mid-level managers. Fourthly, so if you talk about an example for tactical and operational decisions, you give bonus to people who are working in an organization for some special benefits. That is, you give a bonus to the employees, and the provision of bonus is called a tactical decision, or the payment of a bonus is a tactical decision, while the calculation of bonus is a operational decision. So that's the difference between a tactical and an operational decision. Tactical decision in case of payment of a bonus is concerned with only the payment of the bonus, while operational decision is the calculation of the bonus with respect to each employee, because every employee will be getting different bonus points. So for the calculation of every employee's bonus, it is different or it varies. So that is an operational decision. Now, next is organizational and personal decisions. Organizational decisions is when an individual takes a decision in an official capacity, we call it as an organizational decision, while you take it in the personal capacity, you call it as a personal decision. So it depends upon in which way you're taking the decision. So if for example, if you take an executive taking a leave, so taking a leave or going from the institute or organization, leaving an organization is a personal decision, while handling over the matters or the official duty or delegating the duty to the people in the organization is a organizational decision. So organizational decision happens in an official capacity, and personal decision carries out in a personal capacity. Now, fifth one is major and minor decisions. Major decisions are nothing but as I've mentioned earlier, major decisions will be purchase of land for an organization, or introducing or opening a new factory in a different location, or a branch in a different location are major decisions, while minor decisions are those which are concerned about official small stationary matters, which are concerned with the lower level manager. So minor decisions will be taken up by the lower level managers, whereas major decisions will be taken up by the top employees. So these are some of the types of decisions that you have to learn: programmed and non-programmed, routine and strategic decisions, tactical and operational decisions, organizational and personal decisions, major and minor decisions. The main point you have to remember is the programmed and non-programmed decisions, where programmed decisions are nothing but which are concerned about the routine problems, and non-programmed decisions are usually concerned with the unusual problems happening in an organization. And programmed decisions are more of a structured and repetitive in nature, whereas non-programmed are unstructured and not repetitive in nature. Programmed decisions are relatively simple and will have small impact on the organization, whereas non-programmed decisions have a longer impact or long-term impact in an organization. Usually, programmed decisions are taken up by the lower level managers, while non-programmed decisions are taken at a higher level management. So these are the major differences between a programmed and a non-programmed decision. So that's all for the day. Thank you.